Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 course. In this video, we'll take a look at how we can create templates. I'm sure by now you must have already understood that if you find a template that meets your need, you are going to save a lot of time. Now, not every template is useful for your need. Maybe you want to create a template by yourself from scratch, or maybe take an existing template, modify it to fit your needs, and then save it as a new template and then start consuming it for your projects. So it doesn't matter which scenario you take, it's a matter of creating a template. So let me start with a blank sheet and then we'll go from here. Say for example you want your company name. Let's build from scratch. Okay, so let me merge these, let's say these cells, and I'm going to call it and give some company name, put some color, create a size, make it bold, and put an image if you'd like here. I'm just doing this as an example, and I just wanted to format this as a table. So it automatically added some column names here, so you can add that. And let's say for example I want to also add total row, so I have it there. Well, I kind of renamed the header, so kind of looks like a customer address book, and I have total in there. Actually, we really don't need the total here. Okay, so this is a very simple template that we want to really save it and kind of reuse it. And once you design the way you want it, all you have to do is go to File, do a Save As, and point to your desired location, and then save it as a template instead of Excel workbook. Excel template, Excel TX, it's T stands for template. Do that and give it a name. Address book template, save. Now let's go take a look at the template that we actually saved. The extension is XLTX, and when we saved it to this particular location within your documents, custom office template. That's where the template is sitting. You can see here the type Microsoft Excel template, and you can save it to any desired location. So when I actually saved it a couple of minutes ago or a minute ago, I saved it to this particular location. You can easily browse it to your any desired location and save it there. Once you have this, you can always use it to create a copy directly. So say for example you want to create a customer address book for, say, for a new project, right? You are launching a new product and you want to maintain the list of customers of that particular product as separately from whatever you have. I'm just building up a scenario here. So what you do is you just create, start the template. As you can see, it says in address book template 1. Do save. Once you save, start saving it, you can just call it address book product 1, and I'm going to save it to the desktop. Boom, it's done. Now we have the exact same template. We didn't have to do any sort of table formatting or merging cells or renaming the worksheet or anything like that. So once you have your design the way you want it, save it as a template and just start using the template, you will save tons and tons of time. Well, that's it about creating templates. I'll see you in the next video.